Another episode of pack opening, and this is the season final. And you remember last episode of like playing with Grace and this idiot? I really rage quit, sorry to call him an idiot. So yeah, pack opening, we're gonna open a legendary, what was it called? Let me just remember. Legendary boosters. Legendary treasures. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Come on. I wasted lots of money on this. I hope I get something good. I'm like, oh my god. Can't describe with words. I'm not gonna look. Wait, I'm just gonna try to block the screen and then look like this. Okay, I didn't look at it. Yeah, you were saying. He's cute. Tangrove. Oh, cool. Gabbit. Wolf bat. Bad. Still skin. Cool. Big love. Mr. Oh, I slapped myself. It was totally worth slapping myself. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Even if it isn't that strong. Even if it's not that strong, I love it. And it just look cool. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. God. I slapped myself so bad in the knee. Is it bleeding? Yeah, how nice. I managed myself. I managed to make myself bleed. But oh my god. You know, but I'd be more happy if I could trade that. But oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's just see quickly if I can sell that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Apply. Come on. Cheers, yeah. But oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. For a moment, I thought it was gonna be another bad pack. And when I was in that weird ghost type thing, I was thinking, come on. There's only 2 cards left. I'm sure I'm gonna get something suckish. And then next phase I was like, oh my god! I did my weird dance and I slapped myself in my leg by accident. But oh, cool guys, that's just cool. Sorry guys, I squished my... God, it hurts. I squished my foot. Thanks guys. Bye!